yung pinag-usapan kahapon, ano. Ang mga rules kasi on impeachment have changed, no? There has been a Supreme Court decision that changed the mechanics of impeachment. So yung nangyari noon sa impeachment is pumunta sa Kongreso, pinagmitingan ng 130 plus na congressmen, siguro mga 200 later on ang pumirma, tapos dire-diretso na sa Senado yon. Okay, that case went to the Supreme Court, and now the Supreme Court has put in additional conditions on the process of impeachment. And the interpretation of ano yung nauna, ano yung pangalawa, and so on and so forth, no? So ang sitwasyon natin sa impeachment ngayon, ang sinasabi ko, sa tingin ko, yung biglaang pagpaakyat sa Senado ng impeachment with 130 votes, mahirap na gawin yan, no? So it is almost it's improbable, almost impossible to do that now because of the new requirements that have been put in by the Supreme Court. Now, if that is the case, ang ibig sabihin niyan, lahat ng impeachment mapupunta sa Committee on Justice, magkakaroon ng mga hearing, mahaba yung proseso. So ang sinasabi ko lang, well, obviously, we are in the majority. We do not believe that any impeachment against President Marcos is going to prosper, and we are obviously not going to support that. Other impeachment complaints against other officials will have to follow the process in Congress now.